Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are seeing the yellow tint color in your Android screen, today's video I'm going to show you how to fix it. First of all, head over to your settings app. You will see display, tap on display. Now make sure that this eye convert shield is turned off. This is what it will look like once you have turned it off. In case you would want to have it, you may go ahead and toggle it on, but you will see this yellowish color. Next, what you could do is tap on the search button, then type in yellow. You will see this blue yellow 310. Go ahead and tap onto it. It says if you have trouble seeing some colors, color correction may make things clearer. So what you have to do is make sure that you have turned this off. As you can see, just by turning on, my screen color is now green red. You can also make it red green, but what I recommend is you to turn off just like this. And now your screen will be normal color, which is also called a default color of your Android screen.